Sea seals, often simply called seals, are marine mammals known for their streamlined bodies, thick blubber, and flippered limbs. They belong to a group called pinnipeds, which also includes sea lions and walruses. What sets seals apart from their cousins is the lack of external ears and their more limited ability to move on land. There are over 30 different species of seals, ranging from the massive elephant seal, which can weigh over 4,000 kilograms, to the small and agile ringed seal, often found in Arctic waters. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in cold ocean environments. A layer of insulating fat keeps them warm, while their flippers make them agile swimmers, capable of diving hundreds of meters deep in search of food. With their large, expressive eyes and curious nature, seals have captured human imagination for centuries. But beyond their charm lies a complex and fascinating animal evolved to thrive in one of Earth's most extreme habitats, the open sea. Sea seals are found in oceans and coastal waters all around the world, from the icy shores of Antarctica to the temperate coasts of North America, Europe, and even parts of Africa. Each species has its preferred environment, shaped by millions of years of evolution. For example, the harp seal thrives on the floating ice sheets of the Arctic, while the harbor seal can be found resting on rocky beaches or sandbars along temperate coastlines. Some species, like the Hawaiian monk seal, are found only in specific regions, making them incredibly vulnerable to changes in their environment. Seals are semi-aquatic, meaning they divide their time between the water and the land. On land, they haul out to rest, give birth, molt, and sometimes escape predators. In the water, they are graceful and powerful, capable of diving over 500 meters deep and holding their breath for more than 30 minutes. Their habitats are often remote, cold, and difficult for humans to access, which is part of what makes them so mysterious and intriguing. Yet even in these harsh conditions, seals have managed to not only survive, but thrive, thanks to their adaptability and specialized biology. Sea seals are carnivorous predators with diets that vary depending on their species and habitat. Most seals feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans, using their sensitive whiskers, called vibrissae, to detect the movement of prey in dark or murky water. These whiskers can pick up even the slightest vibrations, acting like underwater radar. Harbor seals, for instance, enjoy feasting on herring, mackerel, and cod. While leopard seals in Antarctica are far more fearsome, they not only hunt fish and penguins, but are known to prey on other seals. Seals typically hunt alone, diving deep into the ocean and using their strong jaws and sharp teeth to snatch prey. Their ability to slow their heart rate allows them to stay submerged for extended periods, giving them an edge in catching fast-moving fish or avoiding predators. Some seals use stealth, waiting motionless before ambushing their target, while others chase and corner schools of fish. Their efficient and silent movements underwater make them one of the ocean's top stealth hunters, and unlike whales or dolphins, they don't rely on echolocation. Instead, they rely on agility, keen eyesight, and those incredible whiskers to survive and thrive. Seals are far more social and expressive than they might seem at first glance. Depending on the species, some seals live solitary lives, while others gather in massive colonies that can number in the thousands, especially during breeding season. These gatherings are not silent. Seals have a complex communication system that includes vocalizations, body language, and even physical gestures. Male seals, particularly elephant seals, are known for their thunderous roars, used to assert dominance and fend off rivals. During mating season, these sounds become even more intense as males compete for territory and mates. Mother seals also communicate with their pups through unique vocal calls, which help them recognize each other in crowded colonies. Beyond vocalization, seals use body movements, like flipper slaps, posturing, and head bobbing, to communicate intent or status. For example, a dominant male may raise its body high and stretch its neck to appear larger, while a submissive seal might turn away or slide into the water. Some species, like the Weddell seal, even produce melodic underwater songs that can last several minutes. These behaviors highlight their surprising intelligence and adaptability. Despite their often clumsy appearance on land, in the water and among each other, seals reveal a world of complex social interactions and, finely, tuned communication skills. While seals have adapted to some of the harshest environments on Earth, they now face growing threats, most of which are caused by human activity. One of the biggest dangers is climate change. For species like the ringed and harp seals in the Arctic, melting sea ice means a loss of breeding grounds and hunting areas. Without stable ice platforms, mothers struggle to raise their pups, and food becomes harder to find. In addition, pollution poses a serious risk. Oil spills, plastic waste, and toxic chemicals in the ocean can cause disease, disrupt reproduction, and lead to death through entanglement or ingestion. Commercial fishing is another major threat. Seals often become entangled in fishing nets, a phenomenon known as bycatch, which can lead to injury or drowning. They're also in competition with fisheries for food, which has led to conflicts in some regions. In certain places, seals have even been hunted due to their perceived impact on fish populations. Thankfully, conservation efforts are helping. Many seal species are now protected under international laws, such as the Marine Mammal Protection Act. Organizations and researchers are also working to rescue injured seals, clean up their habitats, and track their populations through satellite tagging. Public awareness is growing too. The image of a baby seal with wide, innocent eyes has become a symbol for ocean conservation. This has inspired stronger regulations and encouraged people to rethink their impact on marine life. While the challenges are real, ongoing efforts in research, rescue, and education offer hope for the survival of these incredible marine mammals.